Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake props, full guide. Start by gathering foam, wire, clay, paints, brushes, and safety gear so you can begin shaping pieces confidently. Measure and sketch basic shapes to scale, then cut foam cores and attach wire armatures for support. Smooth edges, add texture with clay or sculpting tools, and let pieces dry before painting and sealing for a lasting finish. Carve gently and refine shapes, step by step, to avoid removing too much material at once. Work in layers when adding clay or texture, so each coat dries fully and holds detail. Use small sculpting tools or household items to mimic frosting patterns, cake crumbs, or fondant folds. Sand lightly between layers for a professional edge, and test fit pieces together before moving on to painting to ensure proportions remain accurate. Mix colors and test swatches on scrap foam to match cake tones accurately. Start with a light base, then glaze darker washes into creases and shadow areas for depth. Dry brush highlights to simulate sugar sheen or buttercream texture, and add subtle speckles for crumb realism. Once paint is fully dry, apply a clear varnish to protect surfaces from handling and moisture while maintaining the intended finish and feel of a real cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.